Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on KSM. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price line of Kusama broke out a channel, and after that we had a nice rally, but the price line was rejected by quite long-term resistance from 45 to $50. That was a quite long-term resistance on. This was a resistance on. And by the way, right now we are watching on the daily time frame chart, and you can see that after the rejection, the price line dropped down. And here I was showing you this short-term support that Kusama recently found. Recently, it was working at the resistance here and support here and resistance here for several days. And now again, it could work as a nice support, but now we have broken it down and the price and it's dropped down at the next long-term support of $27. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $27 support has been previously working as a very strong support here, almost as a resistance here, and resistance here. And therefore, again, it is working as a nice support. But during this drop, we have broken down this very significant support of EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21. That was previously breaking as a resistance for several months. And here for several months, it has been breaking as support. And now it was breaking as support. We had a bounce here from this support of EMA 21 along with this support of $27 where the price has now broken it down and it can be now flipped into a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024. In the video description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup or CTK, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup. And after that, it will take you to the TradingViews chart. And on this chart, you can watch when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 31st of December 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Kusama. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks a month, it has been moving inside this channel. And after the breakout, we had a very powerful pump, but the price then could not break out this resistance zone from 45 to $50. And now it's dropped down. And after breaking down this short-term support, it has dropped down here at the long-term support of $27. And if the price then breaks it down, then next support will be here at $21.50. That was recently breaking as a resistance here for several days and support here. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this is a quite long-term support, by the way. Previously, it had been working as support here in the month of November 2023, and as a support here, support here. In fact, the price informed a double bottom here from the month of November 2022 up till the month of January 2023. This was the first bottom, and this was the second bottom. By the way, right now we are on the 7 days time frame chart, and therefore, again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of Kusama. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel at $60. And if the price and reaches there, then finally we can break out this long-term resistance on. And after that, the next major resistance will be here at $65. That was previously working as support here, resistance here, and resistance here as well. And now let's take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel. That will be here at the top of this channel. That is approximately at $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.